So in this video, we are asked to find the derivative of y equal to cos x sin x. So we have that y is equal to cos x sin x. Now, if you look at the right hand side, is a product of two functions. So therefore, we have to use the product rule. So recall that for the product rule, dy over the x is equal to u multiplied by the v over the x plus v multiplied by du over the x. So at this point, let's call here u and let's call sin x v. So therefore, u is equal to cos x, and if we differentiate u with respect to x, we have that du over the x is equal to minus sin x. Also, v is equal to sin x, and if we differentiate v with respect to x, we have that dv divided by dx is equal to cos x. So at this point, we have u, we have v, we have du over dx, and we have dv over dx. So we substitute these values into the product rule. Thus, by product rule, we have that u dv over dx plus v du over dx. The value of u is cos s, so we have cos x multiply dv over dx is cos x plus v is sin x multiply, and du over dx is minus sin x. So we have minus sin x. So at this point, we have that cos x times cos s is cos squared x, and sin x minus sin x is minus sin squared x. So at this point, we have been able to find the derivative of the function given to us. Thank you so much, and we appreciate you for watching our videos. Please, if you found the video helpful, encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. It means a lot to us. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.